how MSPs can create a one-pager to clearly define what we monitor versus what we manage. When clients see an alert, they often assume it's already being fixed. But monitoring and management aren't the same thing. In this video, we'll show you how to create a clear IT one-pager that separates what you monitor from what you actively manage, while also explaining how conditional automation and automated actions fit into the picture. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Start by defining monitoring versus management. First, clarify the difference internally. Monitoring means continuous observation, including detecting thresholds, failures, or unusual behavior and generating alerts. On the other hand, management means full responsibility for remediation. This includes applying fixes, performing updates, and maintaining system health within the agreed service scope, or SLA. Even when you use conditional automation, such as auto-remediation up to a predefined threshold, automated workflows only operate within predefined rules. Beyond that, technician intervention is required. This distinction is what your one-pager must communicate. Build a two-column scope table. Create a simple two-column layout that clearly separates monitoring from management responsibilities. Here's a quick example on screen. This visual separation eliminates confusion immediately. Use clean visual hierarchy. Design matters. Use side-by-side panels, clear headers, and simple icons, such as an eye for monitoring and a wrench for management. Keep it to a single page. Clients should understand the distinction in under a minute. Avoid vague language. Be specific about thresholds, automated actions, remediation responsibilities, and SLA coverage. Ground it in real data. Pull real metrics from your RMM platform. Export uptime percentages, alert volumes, and patch compliance statistics. For example, 99.8% server uptime over the last 30 days. 27 critical patches automatically remediated. Data-backed statements transform your IT one-pager from a marketing document into a credibility tool. Reinforce with ongoing communication. Introduce the one-pager during onboarding. It's also important to revisit it during QBRs and update it as services evolve. Include a simple call to action at the bottom, such as, "Want us to manage more? Let's review your service scope." A well-designed IT one-pager clarifies expectations, highlights where conditional automation ends, and demonstrates where your team delivers full remediation and support. By separating monitoring from management and backing it with real operational data, you can prevent misunderstandings and build long-term client trust. For more information, check out our official blog post on how MSPs can create a one-pager to clearly define what we monitor versus what we manage, linked in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this.